Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. We're answering the tough questions like, can I teach my kid how to make Filipino pork adobo? And what do you call two pigs standing shoulder to shoulder? That second one's easy. Parallel porking. I want to thank Victoria Cast Iron for sponsoring this video. And today we are going to teach her how to make Filipino pork adobo, one of our family's absolute favorite dishes. And it's actually pretty simple. To do it, we need a Dutch oven, which is this thing. Big pot, nice lid, very heavy. Try to lift it. Not too bad though. The fact that you can lift that
kind of heavy
shows that these are really light for cast iron. The first thing we need, pork. And the pork that we're going to use is pork belly. Skin off pork belly. It's got a nice layer of fat and some pretty good meat. What we need to do is chop this up into some cubes. About that big. Nice little chunk.
I need 4 chunks.
That's how many chunks we can get out of that piece.
It's called chunks.
Chunks?
Yeah, it's called chunks.
Okay, 4 chunks.
That's how I say it, chunk.
Now we're just trying to make these about the same shape. Things that are the same shape cook at the same rate. And then just continue to make chunks. All right, that's about 2.9 pounds. Cooking pork adobo is actually very simple. What you want to do is get yourself a nice high heat oil. This is avocado oil. Just go ahead and pour that in just a little bit, kind of coat a little bit of the bottom of the pan. That should be plenty. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn this on to like a medium heat. Not too hot, but we want it hot enough so we can actually sear something. And now we're gonna let that preheat for about 5 minutes. The pan has heated up, you can tell because it is smoking. We're gonna sear our pork. The way you do that is you take a piece of pork, you're gonna put it in there, and we're just gonna let it cook, and then you're gonna flip them. Now we're gonna do this in stages because you really wanna get like a nice brown on all of them. If you just put everything in the pan, it's not gonna brown nicely. We'll let those go for a minute or two, and we'll give it a stir and flip them so we get some nice color on everything. Now there are many ways to make adobo. This is just one of them. The browning really helps develop the flavors and kind of punches up everything. You could skip this step, but it will not be as good. We'll go ahead and give these a little turn. That is the color we are going for. That nice, beautiful browned color. If you've got some good browning on the pieces, you can take the ones that are nicely browned out. It smells really good.
Once all of the pork is browned and set aside, you can move on to the next step.
For now, because these pans retain a lot of heat, I just turned the heat off. What do you think that is? Garlic. It's like 8 or 10 cloves right in there.
8 or 10 cloves.
It's a knob of ginger.
Pepper?
Pepper.
Black
Now,
pepper.
this is about a tablespoon of black pepper. You put in as much as you like. My family doesn't like it very spicy,
I hate it.
so we're gonna put in about half. You can always add more if you want later. Give that a stir. I'm gonna turn the heat back on. Onto like a medium low.
I can smell the garlic and the ginger and the pepper.
Now you're just kind of toasting off these spices in that oil. You want them to kind of just release some of their flavors and the aromas. Back in with all the meat. Give it a whiff.
It's vinegar.
Vinegar, pour it on in. That is 1 cup of vinegar.
All of it?
Yep. You absolutely need it for this recipe.
It stinks, but it's really good in adobo. This is soy sauce.
And this is, what's our special ingredient?
Coke.
Coca Cola. That is 1 cup of soy sauce.
Ew. Pour it in?
Pour it in.
I want to pour in the Coke. Pour in the Coke as well.
And this is 1 cup of Coca Cola.
Smells good. I don't like soda.
And as if it wasn't sweet enough with the Coke in there, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Brown sugar. How much do I add?
We need 3 bay leaves.
3 Baileys? I just add 3?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Well,
Give it a nice stir. Now we should have enough liquid. It looks like it's pretty much covering
Most of pork.
everything, which is what we want. Now we have to make a cartouche.
A car what?
The way you make a cartouche
In half.
is you fold
In half.
like that, and then start making
A paper airplane? What?
basically triangles.
Wait, so you're trying to make like a piping bag?
Nope, I'm making a circle, believe it or not.
A circle.
Now you're gonna snip the tip off, and that'll give you a hole in the middle. And then what you're gonna do, I don't think I did this right, but
So,
cut like that. And now what you should have is generally
a flower.
a circle with a hole in the middle, which is what you want, circle-ish. And you're gonna push this down into the liquid.
flower.
And what this does is it kind of stops the evaporation,
Why do you need a hole though?
because you want some evaporation, but not all the evaporation to be happening.
Okay.
And now we're gonna go ahead and bring this up to a simmer. Gonna stick this lid on, and we're gonna cook that for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I don't know how long. You cook it until the pork is super tender. So we'll see you when that happens.
That makes your pork adobo amazing.
See you in X minutes. It has been probably almost 2 hours. Ooh. Okay.
It's definitely
It is
condensed.
time for our cartouche to go away.
Whatever a cartouche is.
It's pretty good. Not too tangy. Not too peppery. I think it's actually pretty good. You want to try it?
Yeah. It's really good.
This is my mother-in-law's secret ingredient for her adobo. I don't know if it's a secret, but it is
an
oyster
ingredient.
sauce.
Put oyster sauce?
We're going to put in probably a big tablespoonful. Pour it in. Just like kind of a very umami flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this in. This is still very liquidy. We want this to be a little bit more syrupy. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this over medium to low heat, just simmer it and let it reduce. That should make it perfectly sticky. Don't know how long that'll take. I'll let you know. After about 15, 20 minutes on a low simmer, the sauce has reduced. Now you can take this super far and make it like a glaze, but we're not gonna go that far because the sauce gets very thick and very, very concentrated and can be very strong. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go ahead and plate up a little bit of white rice,
White rice.
a little bit of pork. Definitely want some sauce.
Like the sauce is the best part besides the pork.
And there you have Filipino pork adobo, which is probably really hot right now. Let me try it first before you do.
Do you like it? Is it good?
Oh, it's really good.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Is it good?
Great flavor to it. Not too tangy, but a little tangy. Yep, get some of the sauce and pork.
Oh, I think that's not enough, right?
A little bit of rice.
Ah, it's good.
It's really good, right?
It's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah,
This tastes like the one we get from the Filipino store.
it's really good.
You should probably add more peppercorns unless you don't like spicy. But if you like a little spicy, add more peppercorns. It'll add much more punch to it. And then you can always, you want it more tangy, add more vinegar. More salty, add more soy sauce. Sweeter, add more Coke. It's kind of a get it to the way you like it thing. Everybody likes it a little bit different, but this is a really good starting point. I am super happy with the way this came out. Kiddo did a fantastic job. The Victoria's Signature cast iron Dutch oven worked like a charm. Great heat retention, super easy to clean. The more I cook in it, the more non-stick it gets. Really loving these line of pans. If you want more information about them, link will be in the description. If you want this recipe, link will be in the description to my website, dadgotthis.com. I'll put it up there. Did you enjoy cooking with Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you like the result?
Yes.
Out of 10, what do you think?
9, because it burned my mouth. Just because
That's
it
fair.
burned my mouth.
I'd dock it a point for that also. If you are enjoying this content, please do the likey subscribe thing. YouTube loves it when you leave a like. I love it when you leave a comment. I answer just about every comment in my comment section.
Comment.
If you really want to support the channel, consider becoming a member. You'll get 24-hour early access to videos, behind the scenes. Sometimes you get longer cuts. You'll get shout outs, producer credits, all kinds of fun stuff. But if you can't, please just subscribe. We would really appreciate it.
You get more stuff with me in it.
Yes. And if you guys want, comment pink hearts if you like seeing the little kiddo here in the videos. We'll try to make. She's not little anymore. She's my little kiddo, but she's not little anymore, unfortunately. But while she's on summer break, we're going to be doing a lot more cooking together, hopefully, as time works out. As time works out? If time works out?
If time works out.
I don't think what I said the first time makes any logical sense.
As time works out.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
That doesn't make any sense, but yeah.
Not at all. But yeah, we're going to try to cook more together.
Yeah.
All right, with all that out of the way, I guess there's only one question left to answer.
Oh no, the dad joke.
What do you call a band of pigs?
I don't know.
A porchestra. Get it? Porchestra instead of orchestra, but it's pork. Yeah. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes. Cook some fantastic pork adobo. But one thing Dad never does?
Dad does it out, just that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Don't do that.
This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.